Okay, welcome to our second episode of season 12, and this is USC Indian Improv Group. This is only improv group here at USC, maybe India's only improv group. So basically, this is improv theater. For those of you who don't know what is improv, let me explain that game to you. So generally, when you see a drama or a play, so those plays are already being scripted. So there are already script written for that, and they play on the stage. But here, what we have is Vidyusaks will come on the stage and they will perform a scene, but there is no script. They will create the scene on the fly. But for that, like they come on the stage blank-minded. So we need your participation so that they can start off with something. So your participation is very important. So so I would be asking some suggestions, and then you would you can throw up something like if I ask what is your favorite color, then you give your suggestions. But you can go like totally in different genre, or you can go as random as possible. Okay, so that this will make actually more interesting to take the scene in a good way. So let me start asking some of the suggestions that you can throw off. President. Obama. Okay. What is your favorite color? Black. Okay. Blue. Nice. Where will you go on your first date? Library.
Hawaii.
Very interesting. Hawaii. Nice. So when you don't have a cricket ball, what will you play with? Football. Anything more? Basketball. Nice.
Volleyball on the beach.
Volleyball on the beach. Nice. Okay. Give me something which you will use instead of camera. Phone. Nice. Any good suggestion? Smartphone is the same.
No.
Come
it's
as
not
wild
the
as
same.
possible. You can go as random as possible. Like you can say tree.
Oh, watch.
Watch. Good. What?
My pen.
Be louder.
You can have a camera in the
Okay.
pen. Pen over here.
Okay, nice.
In
Good.
the pen.
So we need this kind of suggestion from
Yes, a
from
pen
your
in
side.
your
Okay.
shirt. You can use the camera.
So our all Vidyusaks are warming up back there. So for what we do in beginning is to warm up the audience also. So we try clapping practice. So basically we'll go from 1 to 10. 1 being like you can't even hear, and the 10 being like you just bringing the house down. Okay. So we'll start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and there's the sound. Okay. We have a lot of people, so you should be on the curve. This is the limit here, and this is the limit here.
Okay.
So you have to
Correct.
be the arc.
Am I out to focus?
Okay, so we'll start with the game which is called Innuendo. So let me explain that game to you. So Innuendo is a line game where actually I'll ask some suggestion from you, and one of the Vidusaks will come in front and say, I like my men or women, like I like my whatever suggestion that you gave, and they will add something to it. Okay? So, and the catch in this game is they will come in front and they will keep on saying unless someone clap them out. So, let me explain that. So, anyone come on front. So, give me some suggestion. What is your favorite color? No.
Pink.
What is your favorite fruit? Apple.
I like my men like I like my apple from Florida.
Yeah.
To continue doing this.
Yeah. So the game goes like this. So to start them off, give me something which you will use instead of
Volleyball.
Be louder. टेनिस बॉल,
जो वो बॉल होती है वो हार्ड बॉल जो होती है वो जो से मारते हैं.
Soft ball, soft ball.
लॉन्ग
Trekking ball.
नो जो लॉन्ग थ्रो के लिए होती है एक बॉल.
Anyway,
हाँ ऐसे कुछ होता है. एथलेटिक गेम होती है वो ऐसे मारते हैं.
you don't know the name. Okay.
I don't know the name. I think it's
Shot put ball.
Short put ball.
Okay.
Short put ball is a suggestion.
shot.
Vidusaks, are you ready?
Yes.
Start them up with round of applause.
I like my women like I like my shot put ball. With heavy acids.
Which ball?
I like my women like I like my shot put ball. Kirby.
I like my men like I like my shot put ball in the Olympics. I like my men like I like my shot put ball. Shiny.
I like my women as I like my shot put ball, always on target. I like my women as I like my shot put ball, always in the air.
I like my men like I like my shot put ball in a projectile. I like my men like I like my shot put ball, long and curvy.
I like my men like I like my shot put ball. Going far, long. I like my men.
In the alien.
I like my men like I like my shot put ball, 3 at a time.
Pause. So we'll take next suggestion. Okay. So give me something which you will use instead of oil. Instead of oil. Ghee. Okay, ghee is your suggestion with this. Are you ready?
Yes. Desi ghee. Cow ghee, desi ghee.
I like my women like I like my cow ghee, desi ghee. Coming out with my tedi ungli. I like my men like I like my ghee. Desi. I like my men like I like my ghee. Hot.
I like my men like I like my ghee in the kitchen. I like my men like I like my ghee spread all over me. I like my men like I like my ghee in my hand. I like
my men like I like my key, very slippery. I like my men like I like my key, oily. I like my men like I like my key, hot.
Pause. Okay, we'll take one more suggestion. Give me something which is. Okay. So for suggestion, give me something which you will wear instead of chappal. Kathal? Kathau.
What is that?
The Gandhiji one.
Go as random.
What do this you say then?
The one which Bharat took from Ram.
The same thing Gandhiji also wore.
Something simpler.
I'll wear nothing. I'll wear nothing.
No, there has to be some object.
Shoes, man.
Okay, shoes is your suggestion.
I like my men as I like my shoes 2 at a time. I like my men like I like my shoes tied to me.
I like my men like I like my shoes, a solid size 11.
I like my men like I like my shoes dirty. I like my men like I like my shoes. Fits me perfectly.
I like my women as I like my shoes, long lasting. I like my women as I like my shoes, from Germany. I like my women as I like my shoes, fitting to my legs.
I like my women like I like my shoes, from 9 West. I like my men like I like my shoes, leather.
And that's the scene! Okay, so you know now how many ways you can like your men or women, right? Okay, this is clear this scene. Okay, so our next game is split environment. So basically in this game, what happens is, this is the game of two Vidusaks. So, two Vidusaks come on stage. Okay, so let me explain this game to you. So, these two Vidusaks are on stage, and everyone is in their own environment. So that suggestion I'll take from you. So suppose Yamini is in Mandir and Kairan is in beach. So basically they think that both of us are in their own environment. So Kairan thinks that Yamini and herself on the beach, but Yamini thinks both are in Mandir. So they will have a conversation, but the catch is they cannot use that particular name of that environment, right? And they will build the scene, right? So for environment for Yamini, give me something which is, tell me some place which is like bustling with noise.
Indian Lok Sabha.
Lok Sabha. Any more?
A train.
Indian fish market.
Yes.
Indian fish market. You are in fish market. Yamini, you are in fish
Chicken and
market.
fish market.
For
Right?
Yeah.
And it's smelling.
for Kiran, give me some very disciplined place.
Mandir only.
Mandir.
Lab.
Okay. Any more suggestions?
Exam hall. Exam hall. Yeah.
I like Mandir. So Kiran, you are in Mandir, and Yamini, you are in
A fish market.
a fish market. So since they are starting the scene blank minded, we need some suggestion from you. Give me something which is green in color.
Grass.
Grass.
Grass. Any more? More?
Papaya.
Peas. Peas is your suggestion with this. Are you ready?
Yes.
Start them off with round of applause.
आओ पुत्री आओ तुमको आज जो चाहिए मांग लो मुझसे सब कुछ मिलेगा आज बहुत शुभ दिन है
अरे मैं तो कितनी बार आती हूँ, हर बार आके तुम यही बोल जाती हो कि आज बड़ा शुभ दिन है, शुभ दिन है, शुभ दिन है, लेकिन कभी तो मुझे राहु हिलसा मिला ही नहीं यहाँ पर।
पुत्री आज जरूर मिलेगा तुम पहले मांग लो तुमको जो चाहिए
अरे बोला ना हमको चाहिए राहु, लेकिन मुझे ये बताओ कि राहु मिलेगा किधर और किस भाव में मिलेगा?
भाव हर भाव में मिलेगा पुत्री आपको पहले थोड़ा इस बक्से में कुछ डालना पड़ेगा
अरे ये बक्सा, ये तुम बक्सा हरदम यहाँ पे रख देती हो और हम इस बक्से में पैसा हरदम डालते रहते हैं, लेकिन पैसा डालने के बाद हमको कुछ मिलता तो है नहीं। यहाँ पर ये देखो, वो एक इंसान खड़ा है, यहाँ पर एक इंसान खड़ा है, यहाँ पर एक इंसान खड़ा है, सारे इंसान हमको कुछ ना कुछ बक्से में डालने के बाद कुछ देते हैं, और आप हैं कि हाँ समय आएगा, समय देगा, लेकिन हमको कभी आपसे कुछ मिलता ही नहीं है।
बिल्कुल सही कहा पुत्री तुमको भी मिलेगा, पहले तुम जब डालोगी तुम्हें देख
कौन से बक्से
बाकी
में
सब
डालना?
लोग भी डालेंगे उसमें, फिर उसके बाद अदला बदली होगी तुम्हारे पास आएगा वो।
नहीं, it's not. You don't put in the.
अरे यही तो हम बोल रहे हैं, क्या बदला बदली कर देते हैं, पीछे से हम बोलते हैं कि राहु चाहिए, आप हमको हिलसा डाल देते हैं हरदम। हाँ, ये कोई बात हुई क्या? मतलब हम आपके कस्टमर हैं, हम हरदम आते हैं यहाँ पर, आपसे कुछ ना कुछ तो मांग के लेकर जाते हैं, और आप हमारे साथ ऐसा व्यवहार करते हैं।
शांत पुत्री शांत, वहाँ पे वो नाराज हो रहे हैं तुम्हारी इस आवाज़ से। मैं तब से बोली जा रही हूँ शांत रहो, धीरे से बोलो। ठीक है, मैं कुछ सोचती हूँ, तुमको राहु चाहिए, तुम्हें 2 दिन के लिए हिमालय पर्वत जाना पड़ेगा पुत्री।
अरे आप हमको एक ही बात बताएं कि हम ये राहु खाने के लिए हिमालय के पत्थर पर
And that's the scene!
No, you don't do that. Don't put in the box. Find a needy man on
So,
the road.
okay.
Like I found one on the road. Like I wanted to do something.
Shavi, Shavi.
This is I want her to know that you.
backstage.
Backstage.
Okay.
Okay, this
What's
is
going
still
on?
going on. Okay, so let's move on to our next game, which is called Left Tab. So this is a game of 4 with yourselves. Run!
Yes, beautiful.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so you see, this is the like a favorite game of all with the sex. So let me explain this game to you. So this game is something like you are watching a television. I have remote in my hand, and so whatever scene that you are seeing in front, this is the channel that you are seeing. And when I say left tab, then the channel switch, and you get to see the other channel. Okay, so left tab, you see the new channel. Okay, so we are actually having 4 channels running, and I can change the channel anytime I want. So but for all these 4 channels, because they are starting blank, so we need some suggestion from you. So for these 2 Vidushaks, give me something which is very shiny.
Disco ball. Disco ball.
Diamond.
Diamond. Any more?
Solitaire.
कुछ तो बोलो, come on. तेज.
और चल रहा.
He's saying white head.
Boiled egg.
Ball है.
Bald head.
Bald head. Okay.
Bald head or bald head. Bald head.
Bald head is our
Yeah.
suggestion.
Okay, left tab 1. Okay, for these 2 Vidushaks, give me something which you will use instead of bulb.
Tube light.
Candles.
Candles. Candles is your suggestion.
Candles.
Left tab 1. For these 2 Vidushaks, give me something which you will use instead of phone.
Happy Dent White.
Kabutar.
Kabutar. Kabutar is your suggestion. Left tab 1. Okay, for these 2 Vidushaks, give me something which you will use instead of bottle. Glass. Any more? Come on.
Hand. Fingers.
Bolo. Okay, glass is your suggestion with Vidushaks. Okay, so let me remind your suggestions. Left tab 1. What is your suggestion?
Bald head.
Not boiled head. Okay, left tab 1.
Candles.
Candles.
Okay, left tab 1.
Kabutar.
Left tab 1.
Glass.
Left tab 1. And we'll start with them. Vidushaks, are you ready?
Yes.
Start them off with round of applause.
की हाल तड्डा इतनी मोटी हो गई है टकली हो गई है आपका बच्चा जो मेरे पेट में है
Left tab 1.
रमेश, लाइट चली गई है. कैंडल्स तो लेके आ जाओ रमेश.
Left tab 1.
Priyatam, I have been sending you love letters through my kabutar, but you haven't responded at all.
I think the kabutar got lost somewhere.
Left tab 1.
अयो अम्मा इतना झाड़ू लगा दिया एक गिलास वाटर पिला दो अम्मा
नहीं, मैं तुम्हें थर्स्ट से मरवाना चाहती हूँ.
अम्मा
Left tab 1.
सारे बच्चे पैदा हो गए जितने आपको होने थे. अब तो निकला दो. है अब किस बात का पैसा?
सारे बच्चे टकले पैदा किए इस बात
Left tab 1.
बेटा, I mean दोस्त बेटा. बेटे जैसा है. ये तूने बिल कितने साल से नहीं भरा? कैंडल भी खत्म हो गए.
Left tab 1.
You know what? Your dad answered all my kabutars. Now I'm gonna marry your dad.
Left tab 1.
अम्मा अब तो डिहाइड्रेशन हो गया है अम्मा अब तो कुछ कर दो हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट करा दो अम्मा
I am starting a skeleton collection. I want your dehydrated body as my first.
Left tab 1.
बाजू वाले मिस्टर शर्मा ने दिए. असली घोड़े के बाल से बने हैं ये.
And that's a scene. Okay, so when you have bald babies, then Sarma uncle will give new wig to your wife. So be aware of that, okay? Okay, so for next games, I'll invite my friend Vishnu to direct.
Okay, so this was the first half of our show. As you have seen, we had 3 games. We have 3 more lined up for you. So the next game we are going to play is a game called ABC Genre, for which let's have 2 Vidushaks on stage, please. Oh yeah, cut लीजिए sir, please. Make a mutual decision. Okay, so ABC Genre, this is a very interesting game. So first they do a normal scene. We take a suggestion from you and they will do a normal scene which progresses forward in time. But let's say at the end of the scene you decide, I like this scene but I don't like this setting, right? You want to see it in a different setting. You want to see the same scene in, let's say, in a romantic setting or in an action sequence setting, right? So that's what we do, the same scene, basically the same set of milestones or the same storyline is repeated by them, but in a completely different setting. It could be a mythological film, it could be, for example, a romantic film or a horror film, right? So let's start off the first free scene first, for which we need a suggestion. Okay, tell me something that you'll find inside a woman's purse. Lipstick. Something unorthodox.
Handkerchief.
बच्चे
her credit card.
Credit card. Credit card is your suggestion, Vidushas. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's start them off with a round of applause.
अर्जुन, ये क्या हो गया है तुम्हें? 2 दिन पहले तुम मछली की आंख पे निशाना लगा देते थे और आज तुम्हारे सामने वेल पड़ा है, उसके शरीर पे तुम तीर नहीं मार पा रहे।
मुझे दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है रमेश। मैं कहाँ पे तेल लगा रहा हूँ, मुझे दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है रमेश।
मुझे लगता है कि तुम्हें 1 मिनट अपनी जगह पे जाओ। तुम्हें दिखाई नहीं दे रहा, रुको मेरा चेक कर। ये एक जूस है, इसे पी जाओ, आंखों की रोशनी वापस आ जाएगी।
रमेश, तू कितना सेक्सी है। तुझे पता है ना, मैं वो चल ना, तेल मारते एक साथ अपने बदन पे, चल ना।
लगता है
मैं तेल लाता हूँ,
लगता है उस
तेल लाता
जूस
हूँ
में
यार।
लगता है उस जूस में कुछ जहर या कुछ नशे की दवा मिला दी थी। आंखों में रोशनी के साथ कुछ और भी हो गया है।
अरे रुक, चल तेल मालिश। You do me, I do you.
And pause. Okay, so you've seen this scene in a normal setting. What other setting would you like to see the same scene repeated in? I'll give you some suggestions. Romantic film, it could be a horror film, mythological, history.
History.
Horror.
Horror? Anyone else? Anything?
Sci-fi.
हॉरर
Horror.
हॉरर
Horror, okay, let's take horror. Vidushas, you're repeating the same scene in a horror genre.
ओके।
क्या हो गया तुझे? हाँ? कल तक 1 बोतल खून पी जाती थी और आज पानी पीने लगी है?
मुझे खून से एलर्जी हो गया। मैं खून नहीं पी सकती।
तू खून नहीं पिएगी तो हमारा तो बिजनेस ही खत्म हो जाएगा। रुक 1 मिनट, पीछे जा अपनी जगह पे। ये ले, पानी मिला खून है, ये पी जा इसको।
मस्त मस्त मस्त। चल और लोग खून करते, फिर पानी मिक्स करके पी जाते। चल।
लगता है उस पानी में स्ट्रॉबेरी भी मिला दिया था।
You pee, we both pee.
And freeze! Okay, same scene in a third genre. Tell me the last good film that you had seen.
दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे.
दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे, which is romance basically. Okay, so we want to see the same scene in a romantic genre.
रोमांटिक
Romantic genre.
ओके
Okay, start off.
माला, ये क्या हो गया है तुम्हें? कल तक तुम मेरे लिए गुलाब का फूल लाती थी और आज तुम मेरे लिए कैक्टस लाई हो।
सुनिए ना, वो है कि मैं बाजार गई थी ना, तो वहाँ गुलाब के फूल खत्म हो गए थे, तो मैंने कैक्टस लाया। मैंने सोचा कि पेड़ है, पेड़ से ही comes out of a pot only, so it'll be the same thing. You don't fly.
देख ली मैंने तुम्हारी दिल लगी। रुको 1 मिनट। जाओ अपनी जगह पे जाओ, दूर रहो थोड़ा भी। ये लो,
ये क्या है?
ये एक लेटर है, पकड़ो इसे और इसे पढ़ जाओ पूरी तरीके से। प्यार जगेगा।
आप मुझसे शादी करना चाहते हैं? मैं भी रुकिए। ये लीजिए अंगूठा पहनाइए ना।
दो है ना, एक तुम एक मैं।
हाँ,
ये
you
लो।
put, I put, marry.
And that's a scene! Okay, very nice job. Okay, the next game we are going to play is a new game. We haven't played this before. Okay, this is a game called Tag Team, for which let's have 4 Vidushaks on stage, please. 4, we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so basically in any... Okay, decision has been made. Okay, so basically in a tag team competition, as you know, there are 2 teams, right, that fight against each other, right? So let's say this is, the one on your left is team 1 and the one on your right is team 2, right? The people in the center will start off a scene. This is a normal scene. We take a suggestion from you and they start off the scene. At any time, I have the remote. I can call tag 1 when the 2 people on the left switch, and then the new person continues the scene from the same point. And similarly, I can call tag 2 where the same thing happens with the people on the right. Right? Simple enough. So to start them off, we need a suggestion. Switch back to places, please. Yeah. To start them off, we need a suggestion. Tell me something that you will find in a library. Something unorthodox. Books we all know we find in libraries.
Bed bug.
चिप्स।
Bed bug. Gungru. Cockroach.
Coffee vending.
Cockroach.
Coffee. Vending machine. I like vending machine.
Okay.
Vending machine is your suggestion, Vidushak. Are you ready? Yes! Start them off with a round of applause.
बादशाह, मैंने सुना है आप जस्ट डांस में जा रहे हैं।
सही सुना तुमने. After all, I got the move, I got the groove.
बादशाह, मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहती हूँ कि मेरे घुंघरू भी ले जाइएगा, बहुत दिनों से ऐसी सुनसान पड़े हैं।
Please. कलमा. मुझे अपने घुंघरुओं का वो मत दिखाओ, ठीक है?
Tag 2.
अरे कल्मा, I have been dancing since I was 4. Do not try to match me in my competition, okay?
बादशाह, मैं सिर्फ आपको ये बताना चाहती हूँ।
Tag 1.
बादशाह, मैं आपको सिर्फ ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि डांस में तो आप आगे हैं ही, लेकिन खेल कूद में आप इतने पीछे क्यों रह गए थे?
हमारी माताजी गुजर गई 10 साल पहले, और तब से हमने खेल कूद करना बंद किया। Enough? No, I only dance, okay? This is what I do now.
पर आपका जो राज है, आपका जो दरबार है, उसमें तो ऑलरेडी नचनिया लोग हैं, तो आप कहाँ नाचते हैं?
Tag 2.
ये सवाल तुम मुझसे नहीं, अपने आप से करो। मेरी माँ तो 10 साल पहले गुजर गई, तब से मैं अटली डांस करता हूँ। तुम्हारी माँ तो अभी की अभी गुजरी है। तुम क्या करते हो? हैं? कुछ किया है आज तक जिंदगी में? नहीं। So today I challenge you, कलमा, अपनी ये घुंघरू अपने ही पैर पे बांध के, अपने ही पैर झड़का के, come in me with dance competition.
बादशाह जी,
Tag 1.
बादशाह जी, याद है वो इतनी महफिलें जो मैंने सजाई थी आपके लिए, और दिल में प्यार तो नहीं जगा ना? क्या मतलब फिर नाचने का आपके साथ?
प्लीज कलमा, महफिलें सजाने के लिए होती है, प्रेम करने के लिए नहीं। और वो महफिल जो तुमने मेरे लिए सजाई थी वो वही की वही रह गई। उसको मैंने आज तक किसी और से सजवाने नहीं दिया। सड़ रही है वो महफिल क्योंकि मैं तुम्हारी घुंघरू की छन छन सुनने के लिए बेताब हो रहा हूँ।
Okay, very good. So last game of the show is a game called Freeze Backward, for which let's have all the Vidushaks on the stage, please.
Sorry.
पीछे जाए थोड़ा.
Sandy, Alvin, and Elaine. Yes. Okay. So Freeze Backward is our only anti-causal game. So as you know, Thank you. So in any scene, time flows forward, right? As the scene progresses. In this scene, what happens is, let's say two people come in front and start a scene for you, right? The scene is a normal scene going forward. At any point, someone in the back can clap them out, and then they start a new scene. But this new scene, every time there's a clap out and a new scene starts, the same story is going backwards in time. So basically, you see a story from its conclusion first, and you move back to the start of the story, right? Very interesting game. Okay, so we need a suggestion for them for this game. So tell me something that you will find on the International Space Station.
Pani.
Water, yes. Something else.
Space suits.
Dabur Bubble toothpaste. I don't know. Tell me something random stuff.
Besan
Besan ke laddu. I like that suggestion, but I would have preferred something coming from here. Anyone? Restroom. Okay, I'll take besan ke laddu.
Okay. Suggestion for me.
Yeah, that's unfortunate. But yeah, it's okay. Okay, Vidushaks, are you ready?
माँ, आज मैं तुम्हें कुछ बताना चाहती हूँ। बता बेटी बताओ। मैं एक इच्छाधारी नागिन हूँ और जिस लड़के से मैं प्यार करती हूँ वो भी एक इच्छाधारी नाग है। बेटी, तुझे लगता है ये तूने मुझे आज बताया? ये मुझे बहुत पहले से पता था। ये एक पंडित जी ने मुझे ऑलरेडी बता दिया था बेटी।
Hit this out. पुत्री, तुझमें सांप दिखता है मुझे, सांप, नॉट द श्राप वाला श्राप, द अदर द श्रीदेवी वाला श्राप। तेरा बच्चा आधा नागदेव से और आधा तेरे से पैदा होगा। कामदेव उनका मिलन कराएंगे और पैदा होगा इस धरती का, इस कलयुग का पहला इच्छाधारी नागिन।
Yamini out. Kiran in.
What do I do?
You stay.
You keep dancing.
देख रही हो माला, कैसी बेटी पैदा की है? देखो मारती है मुझे।
पापा मार नहीं रही हूँ, मैं तो भस्म कर रही हूँ आपको।
राजीव, मैं तुम्हें आज कुछ बताना चाहती हूँ।
हाँ बताओ।
ये तुम्हारा बच्चा नहीं है।
क्या?
ये पड़ोसन का बच्चा है। ये बहुत बड़ा सीक्रेट था, मैंने 20 साल से तुमसे छुपाया था। भस्म हो जा पापा।
अब तो मुझे भस्म ही होना चाहिए, रहने का कोई मतलब नहीं बचा।
देख बेटी, मैं तेरी शादी तो कर रहा हूँ छुचुंदर के साथ में, लेकिन मैं तुझे एक बात बता देना चाहता हूँ। तू छुचुंदर आज भी छुचुंदर है, कल भी छुचुंदर था और कल भी छुचुंदर रहेगा। तो उस छुचुंदर का बच्चा छुचुंदर नहीं होना चाहिए। ठीक है पापा, मैं ये ध्यान में रखूंगी कि उस छुचुंदर का बच्चा छुचुंदर पैदा ना हो, ना छुचुंदर पैदा हो। हाँ पुत्री, इसीलिए मैं तुझे यही बताता हूँ कि उस छुचुंदर के साथ में रात को कभी मत सोना। किसके साथ सो जाऊँ पापा? फिर मैं
किरण। क्या कहते हो?
सही कहता हूँ मैं। मुझे पता चला है, कल ही हमारा पड़ोसी बता रहा था कि हमारी ये जो लड़की है ना, हमारी पुत्री, वो उस छुचुंदर के साथ घूमे जा रही है।
तो अच्छा है ना, एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल अफेयर तो करेगी कम से कम।
क्या?
आप जानते नहीं कि मेरे भी 2 कनेक्शंस हैं।
ये तुम मुझे आज बता रहे हो?
क्या करें, जब आप हाई होंगे तभी तो बताएंगे आपको।
कलावती, ये तुमने सही नहीं किया। तुमने जो वादा मुझे किया था शादी करने के वक्त, वो बिल्कुल नहीं निभाया।
Hi Kalavati. I think I am pleased with your external beauty. Let's dance and make out.
श्योर श्योर, मेरा पति तो कुछ करता ही नहीं है। लेट्स डांस।
You know what?
हाँ,
I am going to gift you with a child in your some 10th or 11th generation. From that onwards, we will have a unique family.
ओह कितनी अच्छी बात है।
Both out. Sandy in. देवी पार्वती, ऐसा है कि my nag is getting horny. So and it's becoming no bad nag. It's becoming difficult to control his horniness. I think हमें उसे धरती लोक पे भेज के उसके अंदर के प्यार को जल्दी जल्दी बटोर देना चाहिए, वरना किसी दिन मुझे से न प्यार कर बैठे।
And that's a scene! Very well done, very good performance. Right? Okay. So, yeah, that was our show for tonight. I hope you guys had fun. So, we have our Facebook page, which is USC Vidushak. You can find us on Facebook. We also have a YouTube channel again called USC.Vidushak, I think, or USC Vidushak, right? So this show will be uploaded there soon, and then previous shows you can find there. We do scripted plays for Diwali, and you'll find those over there as well. So please subscribe to our channel and visit our show. And individually, as a group we are Vidushak, but individually we are
Sandy,
सत्या,
Santosh.
किरण, हितेशी, यामिनी,
Alvin.
Malika.
and Vishnu. Thank you very much for being a part of this. Hope you had fun.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you very much for coming. Hang out, interact with us. If you have some suggestions, we would be happy to.
Positive or negative?
it was
Yes,
awesome. It
both
was
positive
on
and
the,
negative.
on the spot.
Thank you.
No, nothing written.
No.
पॉज कर दिया?
Amazing.
नहीं किया.